Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through an easy step-by-step guide on how to turn on other notifications on the Facebook app for PC, especially after their new update. If you've noticed you're missing certain alerts or want to make sure you stay on top of all the activity, this is the perfect way to customize your notification settings. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. Once it's fully loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a little bell icon that's the notifications icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu showing your recent notifications. Next, right at the top of this drop-down, you'll notice 3 dots arranged horizontally. This is the menu for notification options. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to reveal more choices. From the options that appear, click on Notification Settings. This will take you to a page dedicated to managing how and when Facebook alerts you about different kinds of activities. Now, on the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Other Notifications. This is where Facebook groups less common alerts or updates that don't fit into standard categories like comments or friend requests. Make sure to click on this section, and then find the toggle for Allow Notifications on Facebook. Flip the switch on to enable these other notifications. Once it's activated, Facebook will begin sending you those additional alerts directly through the app. That's it. You've successfully turned on other notifications in the Facebook app on your PC. This simple update helps you stay informed about more than just the usual alerts, making sure you don't miss important updates from groups, events, or pages you follow. Thanks for watching.